Organic NSF certified. Cafetto Restore Descaler is safe, non-toxic, phosphate and GMO-free. Restore contains a synergistic blend of OMRI and BFA certified organic food acids that give outstanding scale and lime removal. 4 single-use packets, designed for the descaling, deliming, and decalcifying of all of your espresso machines, single-use K-cup machines, and coffee brewers. Improved taste. Regular descaling improves the taste of your espresso and coffee. Maintaing your machine can help prevent poor performance and machine failure. Certified safe. The ingredients and formulation of the products that are NSF certified are safe, leave no harmful residues and do not cause corrosion within the coffee machine. Safe to use on aluminium, brass and stainless steel. Restore is rapidly biodegradable and safe for the environment. Worry-free buying. If you are not satisfied with our product, please let us know. We are 100% committed to complete customer satisfaction. Top reviews from the United States. Great product and extremely easy to use. I had never descaled my Breville Barista Express espresso machine in years and the clean descale light was solidly on. The motor would not turn on until several seconds from when I pushed the 1 or 2 cup buttons, so I thought my machine was toast. But I decided to try descaling it before getting it serviced. I used this product to descale it, following the manufacturer's instructions. As soon as the procedure was over, the light turned off and the machine went back to working like a charm. Great product.